Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by prepping the car, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical faults, then remove the inner door panel. Use the Torx bits and trim pry carefully so you don't break plastic clips. Once done, set fasteners in a container so nothing gets lost. You need clear access to the lock actuator and latch assembly. Shine a flashlight into the cavity and move the moisture barrier aside. This step speeds repairs and avoids accidental airbag or module damage during the next phases. You now inspect the latch and actuator assembly to find the fault. Look for disconnected rods, damaged clips, or a seized motor. Once identified, unplug the actuator's electrical connector and remove the mounting screws. Keep track of screw lengths since they differ. Make sure to free any linkage rods with the correct clip tool so you don't bend them. Then test the latch manually to confirm smooth travel. This verifies whether a simple clip or the actuator motor is the real problem. You fit the serviced or replacement actuator back into the latch, reattach linkage rods and secure all screws. Make sure clips fully seat so rods don't slip out. Reconnect the battery, then cycle the lock using the key fob and interior switch to confirm operation. Listen for consistent motor sound and smooth latch travel. If it still fails, check voltage at the actuator connector and ground continuity with a multimeter. That troubleshooting step finds wiring or control module faults before you tear the door apart again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.